Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a really exciting new launch from Simply Earth. This is a mini kit. I still have to go on their website to see if it's going to be sold as a kit. Regardless, they're launching Blue Tansy. And if you watch my videos, it's my favorite essential oil, and I'm very excited about this. One, because I know Simply Earth's oils are great quality. They get them and source them properly. And two, they're priced so well. They're going to be selling it in a 5 milliliter size. This is a more pricey essential oil. And I will do some price comparisons from other brands in just a second, but their 5 mil is going to be $20. So it's a great price. It smells fantastic. It is, for so many reasons, it's my favorite oil, but really it just is so uplifting to me. It's floral, but it's also mentholy in a very light way, not like peppermint at all, but it does have that type of respiratory. It's used for respiratory, so it has that kind of element to it. It's beautiful because it is blue. It has a constituent called camisolene, and so that's what makes it blue in color. So when you add it to any ingredient or any recipe, it's really fun. So if you make a body scrub or just like a perfume roller, it's just beautiful. There are so many reasons. I'm going to go over all of the benefits and uses, and I have recipes in my blog post. And then this is their box that they sent me, and I'm going to make a body oil. So let's jump in. You have to be kidding. It's not even, oof. So just to start this video with a laugh, because laughter is the best medicine, right? I'll just do a very quick little price comparison of Blue Tansy. So as I said, it's a bougier, pricier essential oil. It's used in a lot of high-end skincare oils and serums and stuff from big brands. But anyways, so Young Living, and we all know they have two different price points, because if you're a member, you get a different price. But their retail price for a 5 milliliter bottle, same size bottle, this was $20. Young Living's price is $140, $120 more. This is also organic, and they share their GCMS reports. Unlike, I think Young Living might now, but they never did before. I think they just got enough crap for not showing their test results, and so they might. But let me just see if you can even access it easily. Just on their web main page for Blue Tansy, I don't see where you can click, but somewhere I was on Young Living's website. Maybe you have to be logged in or something, but I do think they provide their sheets now, but it's just comical, right? $120 more than. Anyways, Revive has a 10 ml bottle, so it is twice the size of this, and it is $49. So right around the exact same price. No, just a little bit more. So it would be $25, I guess, if you broke it down to the same exact size. So ballpark price points is what we're looking for. As always, Plant Therapy is where I used to get Blue Tansy, because I love that they have the 2.5 mil, so half the size, like a tiny bottle, and their 2.5 is $21.99, and theirs is USDA organic. So again, same price point. You can, so let's see, with their 5 mil, and it being USDA organic is $35. I think they had one that was just regular and not USDA organic, which this one is not USDA, it just says organic on it. Oh, it is, it's USDA organic. And Plant Therapy also has a non-organic version of the oil, and for a 5 ml bottle is $25.99. Rocky Mountain oils, theirs is actually really pricey. For a 5 mil, make sure this is 5 milliliters, their price is $76.95, so that is really expensive. And then the Mountain Rose Herbs is another brand that we really like to get oils from, and their 5 ml bottle is $36.50. So again, with the Rocky Mountain being like the outlier, the other ones are pretty much in the ballpark. So let's look inside this box. They sent it to me for the launch of Blue Tansy, and it's just a little kit to make a body oil. So all of this will be linked down below. You can easily get all the stuff on their website. We get a 15 mil of peppermint, which I think I have, so I might put this in my giveaway pile. I know I have actually Supreme Peppermint, and then frankincense. So I'm gonna go grab mine off the shelf, and we will put these in the giveaway pile. If you're not subscribed to my blog, make sure you do that, because I give away oils every week. This is geranium, so we're gonna make a Blue Tansy geranium frankincense peppermint body oil. It sounds so good. And then we have just an empty bottle to make or to add all the ingredients to, and then a body oil base, which is jojoba, almond, camellia seed, and meadow foam oil, and castor oil. So that's a really good blend to put on. Like, it has peppermint in it, but otherwise it's going to be pretty chill and grounding. starting, I'm gonna go grab my label maker so we can make a cute label and then swap out my oils. This is my like digital label maker. There's an app on my iPad or phone, and you create the label and then it prints, and it's pretty cool. You can choose a lot of different fonts. And then this is my old school one that I also really love. It just kind of, I don't know, there's a word for it, but it just kind of letters into the tape here. And this one's, I mean, so easy and user-friendly too. So we're going to make a label. So I just have this turned on. This is under $20 too. It's really affordable, especially if you're making a lot of recipes. I mean it weekly. Okay, I labeled it. Oh, it's really tiny. Blue Tansy body oil. I'm gonna put that on quick, and then we'll add our oils first. I, for a while, would just say, I'm not gonna label this, I'll know what this is, I can smell it. But that is so far from true. Like, I have so many things around our house that I have to label every single thing so that I know what it is. So we're going to add 10 drops Blue Tansy. I wish this was clear so that you could see it, but you can probably kind of coming out of the bottle, and I wasn't counting, so I think that's about 10. 10 frankincense, 10 drops geranium. I'm really excited that we're adding geranium because I love geranium and frankincense together. And then obviously Blue Tansy, it's gonna be so good. And then we're going to do 6 drops of peppermint. This would be a good oil to massage on after like we have sore muscles. It's just gonna be great for so many things. I'm so excited. It smells good. So give it a little swirl, mix up the oils first. And if you're following this recipe, it does call for a 1/4 cup of this this body oil base, which you can find on their website. I'm just gonna, I think, add both of these little bottles to her. Yeah, so perfectly filled. This bottle, they also have empty bottles like this. I'm going to give it a gentle shake for a few seconds to make sure everything gets mixed together. When using Blue Tansy in recipes, especially something like this, or if you're using bath bombs or something that's going to go in your bathtub, be mindful that it's blue and it will stain, especially too with clothing. I know I've used Blue Tansy on dryer balls before, which was a huge mistake. First, you need to check also your flash point of essential oils before adding to the dryer, and then obviously don't put blue essential oils in your dryer. Blue yarrow is also blue, so be mindful of those things. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy that was to make. I'll put the recipe down below too. And it's very diluted. Like, the tansy is in such a small percentage in this. I don't think you'll have any problems with staining with this recipe. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. Like I said, geranium and frankincense together are like my favorite thing ever right now. I have this body whipped butter that I made a long time ago. It's probably near expiration, but it smells so good, and it's frankincense, geranium, and lavender, but this smells amazing. I definitely recommend you making that. I'll link all of the things you'll need to make it down below. Now let's talk a little bit more about Blue Tansy because there are so many uses and so many benefits. And honestly, I don't know why I haven't done a whole video on Blue Tansy yet, because I talk about it a lot because it is my favorite. So it soothes skin irritations. Like I said, it's in a lot of fancy bougie skin serums and oils because it is really great and soothing for skin and skincare. I've seen a lot of people make an underarm scrub with it too, body butters, all kinds of body products. Promotes relaxation, and this is like, and this might not be for everyone because obviously we all have different preferences on what smells good to us or what like promotes relaxation for us. For example, lavender is like the aroma for relaxation, but for some people it's stimulating. So in a lot of cases it's relaxing and uplifting. It makes me feel so happy. I love it. Anti-inflammatory properties, so really good. Again, like I said, with using this body oil in like a muscle rub, because it has peppermint, kind of analgesic, and then it has the anti-inflammatory, especially with frankincense too, but Blue Tansy can help with that. Supports respiratory health. Also, like I said, when you breathe it in, it kind of open your airways a little bit. So in a similar way to eucalyptus, but different. And then enhances emotional well-being. Obviously, this is, if you like the scent, it's going to help you in that way. Provides mental clarity, balance emotions during stressful moments. I recommend for using it in that, with that intention, to make an essential oil inhaler, which I have one right here. It's super easy to just add your essential oils to this cotton wick in here, and then you breathe in. It's like a personal inhaler diffuser. Smells really, really, really effective in anything that you're using essential oils for environmental support. So skincare, you can add a drop to your moisturizer or make your own product. There are recipes in this blog post. A calming serum. So I like to make my own skincare serum with either rosehip or jojoba carrier for a base, and then adding Blue Tansy to it. You just want to make sure you're diluting it always. You can also use it as a spot treatment for blemishes. And using it for emotional well-being, like I said, make an inhaler or diffuse at your desk or wherever you're at. If you are going to use it for respiratory support, I really love using a bowl of hot water, adding the essential oil drops to it, and putting a towel over my head and breathing in the steam inhalation. That method works so well. Whenever I have a sinus infection, I reach for my golden thread, which is an herb that I put in my neti pot, and then do steam inhalation with Blue Tansy or eucalyptus. And those are super effective. You can also make a chest rub. That's a really easy product to make. And you can even make just a chest rub oil. You don't have to make it into like you could just dilute it in some coconut oil or whatever and then rub on chest. So dilute always, patch test, use sparingly. So it's really easy for me, especially since I love this so much. I could just dab it on all over every day. And I never recommend doing that because using essential oils should be done with intention. Obviously, we do make perfumes with essential oils, but I'm not dousing myself in them every single day. Perfume to me is like an occasion thing. So use it with intention, don't overuse it. And that's the same with every single essential oil. You don't want to be desensitized to it, and you don't want it to cause any adverse reactions. And then there's recipes, so a face mask recipe, a diffuser blend, and a calming bath soak. And then there will be links in the blog post for all of our brands that we use. I kind of went over those when I did the price comparisons, but I will definitely link Simply Earth. So this is probably, besides Plant Therapy's tiny bottle, this is the most affordable way to get Blue Tansy, and it's USDA organic. So it's a great deal. I love the oil. I definitely recommend you using it. Let me know what you have questions about that I talked about in this video. Look for more videos from Simply Earth coming soon. They have a new DIY soap melt and pour loofah soap kit, which is really fun. And thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day.